What's up, my peoples? Thanks for joining in. I salute y'all. We just gonna jump right in. What the F is an NFT? And as I learn, you all are gonna learn and follow me on my journey to get in where I fit in and try to join this wave. As you know, better late than never. We're a little couple months behind, maybe a year or two, but it's still a new form of creativity and a new form of making money and getting your ideas out there. So my hope is that you guys could learn along with me. So an NFT, what is it? A non-fungible token, a digital asset that represents real world objects such as art, music, videos, etc. And this is still a growing sector. And, like Facebook just changed their name to Meta. And the Metaverse is starting to explode where people are buying property within this virtual world, selling objects, selling NFTs in this virtual world. So hopefully we can, you know, get up in there, figure it out, and see what is really happening. And what's cool about it is that, especially the creative part, even if you can't draw, you can still find ways to create an NFT if you even have just a creative mind, right? There's sites that like freepix.com where you can just go on this site and, search things like eyes, noses, things like that. And you'll find these vector images that you can bring into another program such as like Photoshop, Illustrator, things like that, and where you can put these pieces together and create your own NFTs, right? But, me being an artist, I didn't really want to use that type of platform there. I want to create my own. I'm trying to stay away from anything that, someone can find out there. I wanted to, I want at least my first NFTs or just my NFTs in general to be unique, right? You cannot find it anywhere because it came out of my brain, right? So instead of even trying to come up with a new character, my thoughts was let me just dig in to the crates, as they say, like, old DJs used to say that, digging into the crates, meaning I always keep my sketchbooks, old, new, well, the old ones are done, all the pages are done, but I always keep sketchbooks, and they would be filled with all these just interesting characters, interesting doodles I might have done in the past. So I said, let me find a character that I had in my sketchbook. All right, this is one of my old sketchbooks. And I landed on this guy here, this alien character I've done before. And actually that just came out of, it actually was a watermark that I saw. And I saw an image within it and I just doodled it on another paper. Then when I came home that day, I actually tightened it up in my sketchbook, all right? So now I'm gonna show you all the process of taking this character and creating a newer version of it in a digital form. And we're just gonna jump right in it. Let's go. All right, guys, so all I did was take a picture with my phone out of my sketchbook and I brought it into Procreate. I figured I'd just go with Procreate because it was a little quicker and it just got right to it. So eventually I'm gonna bring it into Photoshop. But yeah, I brought it in, got my digital outline, and from my understanding of NFTs, you can go with one standard image, and as a single image, you could have a limited number of, lack of a better word, prints, or you could try to create what is called a community, where it's various iterations and different expressions and accessories of the same, character, or, same type of characters. So my concept here is I decided to go with 5 different shirts, 5 different eyes, 5 different mouths, and 5 different hats. And the concept here is that, if you do it, math was definitely not my strong suit, but this was something that was, easy for me to, get an understanding of. But yeah, the concept of the five. So it was 5 different mouths, eyes, shirts, hats, and then backgrounds. I decided with that hoodie to make it off its head, right? So 5 times 5 is 25. And then 25 times 5 will be 125. And then 125 times 5 is 625. And then 625 times 5 is 3,125. So that would be the final amount of different interpretations or different combinations that could be done of this same character. So that's how you can instantly form your community. You just have to take time and put these pieces together. And like I said before, if you go to the free picks, you can still find the different pieces that you need and put them together. So that's what I think that's, really cool about this. But I have yet to make a single cent. But the concept and the challenge and, creating the character is definitely a fun little project here. So as you see here, I got through my shirts. I'm just going back and forth through the eyes, the mouths, onto the hat. My character supposedly is, when I finished creating this character, I thought of him as an alien. So I thought that was kind of cool if I make the hat with the what do you call those aliens? The grays. Of course, leave a comment if I got that one wrong, but I'm almost positive they are called the grays. But yeah, so I saved them as PNGs, and my next part will be bringing them into Photoshop, where I do the background and I upload them, and we're going to be, I'm going to take you through that process. This was just part 1 of this NFT experience. I thought a bandana would be kind of funny to have him wear one of those. So remember, guys, hit that like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know if I left anything out, anything you can add to this process. Be greatly appreciated. So until next time, y'all be safe and be good. Peace.